In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the brake light in a Chevy Equinox. As you can see, I've got a driver's side brake light out. You'll see the passenger side works and the one above the hatch is working. So I'm going to go step by step. You can change your own bulb in your home. You don't have to take it to a mechanic. Lots of times when you go to an oil change shop, they check all your lights and they're going to charge you 12 to 15 bucks for a $3 bulb. I'm going to show you how to do it here and get it done easy and quickly. First thing we need to do is open the hatch, and if you look over here by the tail light, you'll see two black plugs. You need to remove these plugs to reveal the Phillips head screw. You'll just take a flat blade screwdriver, get underneath of the plug, and you can kind of twist, pull this out, and now we have access to the two screws. You need to remove these two Phillips head screws. You're going to want a large Phillips screwdriver. You're going to turn them to the left or counterclockwise to loosen them up. So go ahead and remove those two screws. When you go to remove this housing, don't just pull straight back. You're going to pull out a little bit and then you're going to pull this way. Don't pull back this way. You're just going to kind of get your hand behind there. So you're only pulling it out about 1/4 of an inch, because the real pins are right here. So if you pull back, you're going to break the pins off on this housing. So just pull out a little bit, and then the housing is going to come out this way. Now the brake light that we need to change is going to be this center one. So you're going to turn it again to the left or counterclockwise. You're only going to turn it about 1/4 of a turn, and then you can pull it straight out. The bulb number for this is a 2057. Now what you're going to want to do is you push in and turn to the left or counterclockwise to remove the old bulb. So before you install that new bulb, you're going to want to wear latex gloves, or go to the kitchen, grab a small piece of saran wrap and cover the bulb. You do not want the oil from your fingers getting on the bulb, because it will cause a hot spot and it will cause your bulb to burn out early. Doesn't matter how many times you wash your hands, you're always going to leave a fingerprint on that bulb. So saran wrap or latex gloves. So we're going to insert the bulb, push down, turn to the right. It will lock in place. Give it a little pull to make sure that it's secure. Now without touching the bulb, reinsert it back into the housing. You're going to push down until you feel the bulb holder kind of snap into place. Now you're going to turn to the right about 1/4 of a turn. You'll feel it click. Give it a little pull to make sure it's locked in place. Now to reinstall the housing, I like to insert in the side first. So you can almost just kind of look down from the top, line up the pin with that hole right there, and then we're going to push straight in. Go ahead and reinstall the two Phillips head screws. Before we install these black caps, there's going to be some gunk built up in there. Just kind of scrape that out. You'll see this is all the stuff that came out of mine. Black caps going a certain way. The small tab is going to go to the top. The big tab is going to go to the bottom. As you can see, we got that brake light fixed. Now congratulate yourself on a job well done. You didn't have to take it to a mechanic, and you did it yourself. Now that all your tools are out, you know how to do it, you might as well do the other side. Because normally when one light goes out, the other one's not far behind. Just a pro tip, do not touch a new bulb with your bare skin. It will create a hot spot and it's going to go out early. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step video, and thanks for watching.